Niamh, can you describe what happened on the street that day?
So, from what I remember on that night, me and Josh were walking up towards where I was living at the time, and we were broken up at this point. And he was trying to get back together with me, but I didn't want that to happen because I just wanted to live life, be normal again, because I felt like I wasn't really doing that while I was with him. And we got up to the gate of where I was staying, and then that's where he just kept trying to push it, being like, why don't you not get back together with me? Why don't you not get back together with me? But I just said, I don't want to, like I really don't want to. And then that's when he just started getting physical, like punching me, slapping me, kicked me on the ground, stamping on my head. Then he took the blade out, and then that's when he started like stabbing me. And to be honest, I couldn't feel the knife like going in me, but I felt like that was because of the adrenaline I had in my body as well, from him previously like punching me, kicking me and all that sort of stuff. And the attack lasted for about, I thought it was on for longer, but it was only on for like 6 minutes, but I wasn't aware of how many times it was.
What are your feelings on the sentence?
I thought it would have been a bit heavier, because I feel like now I'm the one that's getting like a longer sentence. Like I'm the one with the lifelong change in injuries, while he's just like in prison for only like a small, not really that enough amount of time. So he can just come back out and just don't even know what. And I'm just have to do physio and still try to get back to my feet again.
What are your hopes for the future?
I'm hoping to get back stronger, start working again, going back to college, because all of them I had to stop doing them because of my injuries, and in my job I can't, like right now I can't stand on my feet for ages without my muscles getting tired, so I'd have to sit down to find a job. Like I have to sit down to like do like a job, but I can't do that. Like it's too hard to get a job for like someone that has to like sit down all the time.
You're very powerful, thank you.
Thank you.